Hi friends, good evening. This session we are going to discuss another part of special function, that is associated Legendre polynomial. In the last 4 to 5 lectures, in the last 5 lecture series, we have seen what is Legendre polynomial, what are its values, and recurrence relation, Rodiger formula. That all we have seen. Now we are uh, in mathematics, we are specially encounter with another Legendre polynomial, that is associated Legendre polynomial. The difference is from the Legendre polynomial is Legendre differential we have studied as 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus L into L plus 1 into y equal to 0, right? So here we have an additional term minus m square divided by 1 minus x square, right? That is with the solution. So with this solution we have seen, that is PLM of x we have seen, Pn of x we have seen using Rodiger formula, and because of this term the new solution will be PLM of x, where L is the value here and m is the value that is in the additional term m square 1 minus m square by 1 minus x square, right? That is PLM of x is equal to minus 1 raised to m 1 minus x square m by 2 d raised to m dx raised to m PL of x, right? Okay. Now in any equation, if you want to find the solution, suppose you are asked to find this P21. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to replace all the L with 2. Okay, all the L with 2 and M with 1. So what will be the answer? Minus 1 raised to 1, 1 minus x square all raised to 1 by 2, right? D raised to 1 dx raised to 1 PL of x, that is P2 of x, right? Okay, L I am replacing with 2 and M I am replacing with 1. So that is minus root 1 minus x square into what is P2 of x? D by dx of what is P2 of x? P2 of x we have already studied, that is 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1. Okay, that is minus root 1 minus x square into by 2 into this is 6x, right? So that is 3. So minus 3x root 1 minus x square. This way we can calculate the various Legendre, associated Legendre polynomial, right? Now let us go to some problems from the previous sections which we have discussed. The polynomial f of x, that is equal to 1 plus 5x plus 3x square, is written as a linear combination of Legendre polynomials p0x, p1 of x, p2 of x as f of x is equal to sigma n cn pn of x. The value of c0 is. That means this f of x I can write as, see, this is a simple problem. F of x is equal to, I can write as n is equal to summation, that is c0 p0x plus c1 p1x plus c2 p2x and so on. Okay, I can write using this summation series like this. And f of x also given, it has 3 term, that is 1 plus 5x plus 3 square. F of x also given, that is 1 plus 5x plus 3x square. We already discussed, we can write this P0 using the Legendre polynomial P0 x is equal to 1, P1 of x is equal to x and P2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1, right? So this I can write as 2P2 of x plus 1, right, divided by 3 equal to x square. This all we can write from it. I can substitute these values here. Let me go to the blackboard. So 1 is P0x, right? P0x plus What is 5x? 5 into what is x? X is equal to p1 of x, right? That is p1 of x. What is 3x square? 3x square is equal to 2p2x plus 1 divided by 3. So 2p2 of x plus 1 divided by 3. So this 3 cancel, right? That is equal to, so this is equal to c2p2 of x, c2p2 of x plus c1 p1 of x, c0 p0 of x. Okay, so let me write this p0 of x again 1. Okay, so let me erase this all. So here I have 5. So let me write in the format 2p2 of x. Sorry, here p0 of x, right? And here also this 1 I can replace with the p0 of x because p0 of x is 1, right? So 2p0 of x plus 5p1 of x plus 2p2 of x. Okay, so let me write like this and then go to main board. So we are asked to find the value of c0. Okay, so what is c0? That is the coefficient of p0 of x. What is p0 of x coefficient? That is equal to, so answer is c. Answer is c. Okay, so this about this problem, and so answer is 2. Now we have another question. Given sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity pn of x t raised to n equal to 1 minus 2xt plus t square whole raised to minus 1 by 2. The value of p5 into minus 1 is, that you can directly write the answer. We have two result, that is you have to by heart. So pn of 1, that is always 1, right? Pn of 1, that is always 1, and p2n plus 1 of 0, that is always 0. Okay, that is p2n plus 1 of minus 1. Okay, that is always minus 1. This all we can prove from the result. p0 of 1, that is 1. What is pn of p2 of 1? What? p2 of 1. p2 of 1 is, let me check this, p2 of 1. What is p2 of x? p2 of x is equal to 1 by 2 into 3x square minus 1. Okay, so if you substitute this 1 by 2 into, if you substitute x as 1, that is 3 minus 1, you will get 1. Okay, so p2, any legendary polynomial, okay, with x turning to 1, the answer will be 1. So any legendary polynomial, not legendary polynomial with odd index, then if it is x is turned to 0, its value is 0. So p2n plus 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. This also we can check. Okay, what is p1 of x? p1 of x is equal to x. So p1 of minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay, from the formula itself it is cleared. Okay, so here p5 of minus 1 we want to find. So it is p2n plus 1 minus 1 format. So answer is minus 1. So you can directly write the answer as minus 1. Here also again a question like that. p3 of minus 1. What is p3 of minus 1? This also in this format. p2n plus 1 of minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. So answer is D, that is minus 1. Okay. So these kind of questions we need not calculate by calculating the Pn of x. You have to by heart all the recurrence relations and different formulas which we have created during this lecture series, that you have to by heart, and you can substitute the value of particular n in that equation only. Okay, so that's all about this session. Here we completed the lecture series of this legendary polynomial, and in the next section we will discuss about Bessel function. Okay, so we have discussed already this Hermite polynomial, Legendre polynomial, and then legendary polynomial. The final special function which we have to discuss is that is legendary function. Okay, thank you.